Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a new page on Fandom Wiki. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to nitro.fandom.com. You'll come to a page that looks similar to this. From here in the top right hand corner, it says sign in or start a wiki. Go ahead and click on the plus icon, start a wiki. And now you're going to be brought to this page where it says you can start your own community. So from here, name your community. Whether it's a community focused on worldwide entertainment sensation or a very personal project, it needs a good, unique name. So name your community here, give your community an address, and also the language of your wiki. All right, so for this demonstration, I'm going to do tutorial whiz, and I'm going to make this English. Then click on next, community info. Then from here, you might need to sign in or sign up. So I don't have an account here, so I'm just going to connect my Google account with this. So I'm going to choose Tutorial Whiz here. Click continue. I'm going to have to put in a username, birth date, and then connect with Google. Alright, connect with Google. That should sign me up and log me at the same time. Alright, now what's your community about? So what type of community are you creating and how would you describe it to your friends? So describe your community and then choose a hub. And also, is this community directed to children under the age of 13? Check that too. So yeah, with this, I'm just going to say helpful solutions, other, and books. Then from here, it says next, create my community. And then also your email should be confirmed to create a wiki. So I need to go and open up my emails. All right, here it is here. I'm going to confirm it. All right, I've confirmed my email. So your email has been confirmed. Now I can continue on, create my community. Then from here, while you wait, choose a theme. So while we create your wiki, select the base theme to begin with. Each theme supports light and dark modes, and you can customize both until they look just right. You can leave this page and we'll email you when setup is complete. So I don't actually want to go ahead with creating this wiki. This is just for pure demonstration purposes. So yeah, just go ahead and choose a theme and then click on go to wiki. I'm just going to leave this as it is.